carry gear that we trust, because we think adventure should be enjoyed until the very last bite. Meals are an essential part of being in the outdoors, and to us, the sporks on the market have never quite measured up. So we decided to create one that does. Introducing Morsel, a versatile utensil for cooking, eating, and cleaning. A tool designed to rethink the way we eat on the go. Morsel has a unique rubber edge that allows you to easily scrape every last bit of food. The ergonomic asymmetrical shape fits plates, pots, bags, and bowls of all shapes and sizes. The extended length is perfect for digging deep without getting your hands dirty. Morsel also features a full-sized fork and a safe cutting edge for slicing through tough foods. We've spent the last year designing, prototyping, and testing. The result is the best camping utensil we've ever used. If you've been hungry for a better utensil, your search is over. Morsel, for every last bite.
After 23 years in the military, I realized something. You guys love hauling around a bunch of shit. Back in my day, we didn't get fancy with our gear. Being in the field was about three things: eating, drinking, and not freezing to death. For all you out there with your selfie sticks who aren't trained outdoorsmen, I invented the Bitterroot, the world's first 3-in-1 dry bag. At its core, the Bitterroot Dry Bag is just that. It keeps the important stuff dry. It keeps the important stuff dry. The important things.
Cut.
The Bitterroot Dry Bag can filter water from any river, stream, or lake.
All right, perfect.
Unless you're in the desert, then you're totally
We're totally gonna have to bleep that.
In less than 5 minutes, you'll be drinking crystal clear water without all the fun stuff like cryptosporidium and giardia. Oof. In less than 5 minutes, you'll be drinking crystal clear water without all the fun stuff like giardia and cryptosporidium. Nature's weight loss powder, if you're man enough. And when you're done, shake it out. Due to its hydrophobic material, the bag dries instantly. The same quick disconnect that you use for your water filter also works for your air mattress. Pump up your mattress until it's as soft as your little hearts can take. It's so easy, even Ryan here can do it. No moisture from your breath means a warmer mattress for those of you who still sleep in a bed. For all you out there with cold feet, your dry bag can hold boiling water and become a bag warmer. The Bitterroot can handle water up to 315 degrees without melting. Not me though, I like them cold. Scared of bears? The dry bag can keep food out of reach. Can't do for you on the ground though. Maybe the next product. That went great, right? Did that really hurt? I don't know. So. Please tell me. Was that really? Did you? Well, man, I figured if I hit you in the bare nose, it'd be the softest place.